Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pork ball without onion. So the recipe is going to be much more easier, simple than the one I showed you in beef ball recipe movie. So if you like to make it with onion, just follow the beef ball recipe movie, replacing the beef with pork. We call pork ball as butadon or tondon in Japanese, and it is so popular in Japan, so you can have it in every gyudon restaurant, beef ball restaurant like Yoshinoya, Matsuya, and so on. Well, to make it is super easy, and the taste is super yummy. So why don't we try making it? The ingredients for pork balls are only three. One is of course sliced pork. I have 280 grams here, so I'm gonna use about a half of that. So it will be 140 grams for one bowl. Ingredients number two is bowl of rice, and the number three is this, the white part of green onion. I don't use whole of that. I guess half length is enough, so it will be 2 inches, 3 inches, about that. I believe compared to with onion version, it will look more Japanese, simple, Steve Jobs room or Zen flavor or something like that. Right, we got only 3 steps to make it. Step 1 is to cut the white part of green onion and soak them in water. We'll use them later as garnish. Step 2 is to make the broth. Broth is soy sauce 2 tablespoons, mirin 1 tablespoon, sake 2 tablespoons, sugar 1 tablespoon, and this time we'll use grated garlic instead of ginger. But it's all up to you, so if you like ginger rather than garlic, then go ahead and do so. Step 3 is to pan-fry the pork with high heat. And when it gets nice and brown, pour the broth on the pan-fried pork. Then plate it on a bowl of rice. Super easy, isn't it? So let's get started. Alright, why don't we go on to step 1. Step 1 is to cut the white part of green onion. This is enough. Throw away the very surface. Okay, throw it away. And then you don't need the central part. Central part. Just save it for miso soup or something like that. This is too long. Pile them up and cut them like this. Then you soak it in bowl of water. Yeah, soak it in a bowl of water and set aside for a while. Alright, why don't we go on to step 2. Step 2 is to make broth with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin 1 tablespoon, sake 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of sugar. And this time I'm gonna use the garlic. Grate the garlic. Wow, good smell. I like garlic. Wow. So now the broth is ready. So why don't we go on to step 3? Alright, why don't we go on to step 3? Step 3 is to pan-fry the pork. Yeah, when the frying pan is heated, pour some vegetable oil. And heat the pork with high heat. Yeah, like that. Pork is getting more brown. Right, it's time to pour the broth onto the pork. Broth. Yeah, looks nice. down to where I plate it. Yeah, it's time to plate it in a bowl of rice. It's the bowl of rice. Yeah, looks great. Okay, here you go. It looks cool. I like the flavor of garlic flavor with the garnish. It looks so Japanese, isn't it? Yeah, now pork bowl without onion version is ready. It looks so Japanese, isn't it? Simple. Alright, thanks for watching. Now you know 2 different ways of making pork bowl and beef bowl. So why don't you try both versions at your home? Anyway, thanks for watching, and please put thumbs up button, subscribe, and leave some message down below. I like to read them. Take good care and hope to see you in the next video. See you soon. Arigato. Thank you. Bye bye.